Are you tired of working a 9-to-5 job, living paycheck to paycheck, or just looking for a way to make extra income online? Imagine waking up every day with the freedom to work from anywhere while making consistent money. Sounds amazing, right? In today's video, I'll reveal the best online businesses you can start right now, even if you have little to no experience. Stay with me, because this could change your life. Hi, I'm your name, and welcome to your channel name, where we explore the best ways to grow financially and build a life you love. If you're serious about making money online, this is the video for you. Today, I'll break down 5 online business ideas that are not just trendy, but also profitable in 2024 and beyond. Plus, I'll share actionable steps so you can get started today. First up, print on demand. This business is perfect if you're creative or even if you just have great ideas for designs. You don't need to keep inventory or worry about shipping. Platforms like Shopify and Printful let you create custom t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and more. Here's how to start. Step 1. Create a free account on Canva to design your graphics. Step 2. Set up a store using Shopify or Etsy. What's amazing about this business is that you get paid for each sale while your partner handles printing and shipping. The second business idea is creating and selling digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, or even stock photography. What's great about digital products is that you create them once and sell them over and over. Step 1. Identify your expertise. What do people often ask you about? Step 2. Use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy to sell your products. Step 3. Market them on Instagram, Pinterest, or your blog to drive traffic. This is perfect for passive income, and it scales really well. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to earn money online. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product or service, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. Step 1. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Step 2. Create content, whether it's blog posts, YouTube videos, or TikToks that reviews or promotes these products. Step 3. Include your affiliate links in the content. The more value you provide, the higher your earning potential. Are you skilled in writing, graphic design, social media, or even coding? Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start earning online. Step 1. Create a profile on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Toptal. Now that you've seen these ideas, what's stopping you? The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Comment below which business idea you're excited to try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Let's build that dream life together.